Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. SSC is supplier of electricity at notified traffic rate. Stop. The sale price included advance against depreciation within bracket AAD bracket close, which is shown by SSC as sales in its profit and loss account. Stop. While computing the book profit, SSC deducted the advance against depreciation component from total sale price and took only balance amount into the profit and loss account. Stop. According to the authority of advance ruling, reduction of advance against depreciation from the sales was reserve, which had to be added back on the basis of clause B of explanation to section 115 JB of the Income Tax Act, 1961. Stop. Para change. On reading, it is clear that to make an additional under clause, the two conditions which must be jointly satisfied are that there must be a debit of the amount to the profit and loss account, and the amount so debited must be carried to the reserve. Stop. Since the amount of advance against depreciation is reduced from the sales, there is no debit in the profit and loss account. Stop. The amount did not entire the stream of income of the purposes of determination of net profit at all, hence clause B of explanation was not applicable. Stop. These are broadly two types of reserves: those that are routed through profit and loss account, for example, a capital reserve such as share premium amount. Stop. Advance against depreciation is not a reserve. Stop. It is not appropriation of profit. Stop. It is an amount that is under obligation, right from the inception, to get adjust in the future, hence, cannot be designated as a reserve. Stop. It is nothing but an adjustment by reducing the normal depreciation includable in the future years in such a manner that at the end of useful life on the plant within bracket, which is normally 13 years within bracket close, the same would be reduced to nil. Stop. At the end of the life of the plant, advance against depreciation will be reduced to nil. Stop. Keeping in view the facts and the profit and loss account will be different from the above. Stop. In fact, schedule 12A to the balance sheet of for the financial year 2004-5 onwards indicated recouping. Stop. Advance against depreciation inverted income received in advance inverted close. Stop. It is a timing difference and represents adjustment in future which is inbuilt in the mechanism notified by the income tax department. Stop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.